If WhatsApp is part of your daily life, believe me, you are at the right place. Welcome to WhatsApp X Standard. Today, we will create payment reminder for our 100 customers. First of all, we have to click on the reset button. So I have clicked it, and you can see my process has started. It's done now. My sheet is completely cleaned. Now we will first select the subject. You see, there are multiple drop-downs. I have selected payment reminder as my option. Next is how to greet the customer. So I will select Dear as an option from the drop-down because I have a list of names of my customers. Next step is a description, which is very important. Here you have to write your message, whatever message you want to share with your customer. I have a message ready, so I will just paste it here. You can see I have mentioned, kindly pay your dues before the given due date. A copy of the income tax circular is attached for quick reference. So that's the message I want to pass to my 100 customers. Next is the due date, so I will mention my due date, which is 30th of June. So before that, I request my customers to pay their respective dues. The moment I mention date, you can see in the next column, which is days to go, 30 days is automatically calculated. Now, these are the other columns where you can create your business signature if you want to share with your customer. I have given more additional columns, which can be used to create multi-purpose message for different businesses. You can create scorecard, either for your employees with 5 to 10 KPIs or for school subjects of your students. Here, I will create my business signature in these columns. I will start with my mobile number first. I will mention it here, so I have selected the mobile number as an option in the heading. My mobile number is 98250982250, which I have copied and pasted here. The next is the website address and other data. I have all this data available with me, so I will copy. So here is the website. I have selected that option. The next is the email ID. You see the option is there. The next is the address, so I am going to select corporate office as an option. And then in next column, I want to select Google location because I want to provide my location link to my customer, but that option is not available in my drop-down. But don't worry. We have a flexibility for you to configure the name of heading of your choice. You can put whatever heading name you want, so I will mention Google location as my heading. The moment you mention here, it will be added automatically to your drop-down list. Now you click on the drop-down and see that is available for you. This customization can be done for every column. So now my message contents are ready with my business signature. Rest of the columns I have given extra, in case you may require it, but in this case, I don't need it, so I will just keep them blank. Now let us move further. We will launch our campaign by clicking Campaign button. But before that, we have to keep our contact list read with WhatsApp number. So we will go to the sheet where our all contacts are listed out. Please note that our contact sheet is also Smart Sheet. In this page, here I have 100 contacts available, where the name and WhatsApp number are mentioned. You have to paste all your contact details here. As soon as I click on the contact button, all your contacts will be checked for unwanted space, any special character, duplicate contacts, etc., and will be corrected and make it ready for campaign. I will not click on the contact button now because I have listed my own number for each contact for demo purpose. Now I will go back to our main sheet and will just click on the campaign launch button. And my campaign is in front of you. All my 100 contacts, along with the name and WhatsApp number, have been automatically pasted here. Wherever the details are mentioned, those columns are marked green, and this is part of message content. Here in the description column, first message is pasted for all 100 contacts, because I have one common message for my all customers. In case, if you want to send customized message for each customer, then you can copy-paste your customized message right here in description column along with customized due date before going to the step. This will ensure that all 100 customers will receive customized message. Let's move towards the final step. Here, you see that you have to mention your mobile number. If I am a sender, I will mention my mobile number so that I can get a summary of campaign. Here, you have to mention location path of your photo, audio clip, or video clip if you want to send along with WhatsApp. And this is the document path. If you want to send any PDF, Word, Excel, PPT, or zip folder, you can give a path here. But don't paste both the paths together, otherwise WhatsApp will not go. Either you paste picture path or the document path at a time. If you do not want to send any attachment, then just keep it blank. This is very important field. You have to select delay seconds like 25, 35, whatever, as per your internet speed. Keep delay more if you have low-speed internet connection. Now here, I want to send PDF document, which is an income tax reminder in my case. You can see this PDF document here, which is saved in download folder of my laptop, so I want to send it to my customer. So I will right-click here, and you can see that there is the option called Copy as a Path. I will click on this option, and you can see that the path is copied now. Now I will paste my path here, so when my message will go. Along with that, this PDF document also will be attached. Now, everything is ready. So, let's click on the demo button. Before you send your message to the customer, you can see preview of that. This facility is there. So you see that preview is ready. First is our subject, which is payment reminder. The second is the salutation and name of the customer. Third one is the content of the message. And the last one is the business signature. So now it looks fine, so I will now launch my automation. Here you can see that, in this column, were all the names of my customers mentioned. First customer is Shruti Patel, and the second is Sarah Khan, right? And in this column, once the message are sent to the customer, timestamp also will be pasted, and you can check after completion of the campaign. So now let's start. Everything looks fine, but I cannot send 100 messages to my own number, because this is just a demo. So I will just keep the first 2 messages, which are Shruti Patel and Sarah Khan. And the rest, I am stopping it by using this drop-down. So only 2 messages will go automatically along with the attachment. These 2 will receive our message and that data. This is the mobile number where the complete summary will be sent. Here you can see that my Chrome browser is open and my web WhatsApp account is already synced on my laptop. If it is not done, you have to do it the first time before you click on WhatsApp icon. Now I am closing my Chrome browser. Next time, it will be opened automatically. Now everything looks good. This program will send payment reminder automatically to all selected customers. Let's see. This is my WhatsApp icon. Now I have clicked on this icon, so my campaign will start automatically. You see that the process has started. It will open the Chrome browser, and Chrome browser is opening web.whatsapp.com. You will see that the text box already selected. And now it will open a document dialog box. And then it will select the document because I want to attach income tax circular document in my message. Now the document path will be copied here. And finally, the document is attached and the message sent to our first customer Shruti Patel. Wow, it's all automatic. Now the next message will go to our next customer, who is Sarah Khan. So it will do the same process, like again, Chrome browser will be opened, and then web.whatsapp also will be opened. The message text box will be selected to copy the message there. Then, dialog box will be opened. Document is selected, and now it will paste document path. And then it will attach it, and you can see that. This message has also gone to Sarah Khan. So our job is done. We have selected 2 customers, and both have got the message. You can do this for any number of customers automatically. Now the last message is summary, which will go to my number. because I have mentioned my number there in campaign, and it contains summary like start time of the campaign, stop time, total time taken, and total messages sent. So it has completely done its job. But before I end the campaign, I will just show you how the actual message looks like. So at least we'll be having an idea that, what all contents are covered in our WhatsApp message. So just for your understanding, I'm just again showing you, like if you see, we have started with the subject first. Next is a salutation and name of customer. And this part is the message content. And the last part are details, which are the optional details that we have covered in our business signature. And finally, the attachment of the PDF document. So all these contents are covered, which have gone to both the selected customers, Shruti Patel and Sarah Khan. The last message is the overall summary of the campaign, which gives a complete idea that when the campaign started and ended, how many messages were sent, and it just took 1 minute and 17 seconds to complete. So that's the complete summary here. Let's go back to our campaign. If you see here, we'll see that both customers' message timestamp is already punched here. By opening the last session, you can check all messages and its timestamp details if you wish to. And finally, the summary table, which contains information on the last completed campaign. This program is completely dynamic and flexible, which you can configure as per your business need for any type of campaign. If you really love this product and planning to buy for your business, you can text me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, this product will definitely improve your business productivity and mileage. I am sure you will love it. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.